Why the obsession to modernise your Harley? Roll the intro. Hi, and today's video is again just something I've been thinking about really, and again get your opinion. Why do you have to mod your Harley Davidson? I know it's the done thing, and I've done it myself because it's a done thing, but I've just been sitting thinking about it really, and I just wonder, would this be acceptable in any other situation? So bear with me. You're buying a premium motorbike for a premium price, and the first thing you do after you buy it is you change it. Now, whether that just be for cosmetics because you don't like the look of it or certain things, yeah, I can understand that. You don't like the sound of it, so you change the exhaust. You don't like the power, so you change to a stage 2 or a stage 3 or even a stage 4. And you do all these different modifications to your Harley Davidson. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, would you do that for any other premium brand that you buy? Now, if you go and buy a Rolls Royce, is the first thing you want to do make the engine bigger, give it more power? Is it you want to change the looks of it? I don't think so, because you're buying that product because you like that product. At the end of the day, that's the product that you're purchasing and you like it. Same with anything really. You go and buy a top of the range piece of clothing, you don't then go and rip the arm off and sew another arm on, or you don't change your buttons. So I don't understand how it's acceptable for you to purchase a premium product at a premium price in Harley Davidson and it's not what you want off the showroom floor. Again, as I say, I'm not criticising, because I have done exactly the same thing, and I know it's all part of the culture, and I love doing it, and it's making the bike yours, and it just makes you stand out a little bit from the rest. Completely get it, but it's not cheap to do any of this stuff. It really isn't. I mean, I have spent, I don't know how much, and I'm not prepared to say on here in case the other half ever watches my video and she goes, what? But I've spent a mini fortune on the bike, doing various upgrades, making it my own as per the Harley Davidson culture. But I just been thinking about it, thinking that's madness. Harley Davidson are in for such a winner when you think about it. They sell you a premium product at a premium price, and then the first thing you do when you take it out of the showroom is you change it, and 9 times out of 10, or maybe not 9 times out of 10, a good proportion of the time you're buying Harley Davidson products to upgrade it. So they're giving you a bike, giving you top dollar, and then they're charging you top dollar to change it, which to me, again, what a business plan. I need to think of a business plan like that myself. So yeah, as I say, it's just a really short, sweet video, and I'm not criticising anybody, so please don't take it the wrong way, because I've done exactly the same thing myself. I just wonder how it's got to that stage and why people think it's acceptable. That's it really. So if you could leave me your comments below and let me know your thoughts. Am I being an idiot? Probably am, obviously. I normally am, so my wife tells me. But yeah, I just try to understand the rationale why people think it's okay and why people are happy to do it. So yeah, leave your comments below. Let me know your thoughts. I'd be really, really interested in that. So yeah, if you could do that, that'd be brilliant. And if you did like the video, please press like, hit that subscribe button, because that really helps out my channel. And if you want to be notified of any future videos, of which there'll be many, not as negative as this, I promise you, then hit that notification bell. But yeah, I really appreciate you having the time, sitting down and watching this really short video. But yeah, ride safe, stay safe, and I will catch you next time. Take care.